So good evening everyone, it is Mitchell aka The Walk in Orlando. Welcome back over here to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So I'd come over this evening for some more pin trading adventures, but also just general Hollywood Studios adventures. We haven't really been to Hollywood Studios in a while in the night, and plus there's some things we want to do that we haven't done for a while. So make sure you do hang out with us today as we do hang around at Hollywood Studios and see how many good pins we can get. As per usual, I'll show you the pins we are starting with, and we'll show you the pins we end at the end of the evening with. The nice thing, as soon as you enter into Hollywood Studios, you have 3 places to go. So you have Movie Land, front entrance shop, you have Tinseltown Photos, Crossroads of the World are the 3 locations here. Alright, so first one is going to be Movie Land Memorabilia. Check out this pin board.
Anything you need?
No, I don't think you see anything. Alright, into Tinseltown Photos, aka the photo pass area for the giant pin board.
You can get involved. Yeah. And if your parents go, you get a free dress down. No, not free dress down, but a free.
Anything?
I don't see anything. So, Hollywood Studios is always the definition of hit or miss when it comes to pin trading. Sometimes when it comes to pin trading here, it is like the best. Other times, really, you don't do good at all. So, we'll see how our fortunes are. The first 2 places, not been great, but we'll check the 3rd place here. And then on into the dark room to check out all the new pins. Alright, to the Crossroads to do the pin board.
How are you guys doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Ooh, the daisy's cool.
Yeah.
Kendall, do you see anything you like? Alright, into the dark room, because this is where we're going to check out the pins that they have on display, and another pin board. So, they had the pin event not too long ago, and they actually already announced that the next year's going to happen, but they do have some of the leftover pins from it, so it's kind of cool, because even if you couldn't go, you can still get some of the pins if you like. Also, look at all the different arcade ones. So, I think I've seen the Goofy, Hercules, but I've not seen Robin Hood, and I've seen Jungle Book. Oh, and Kingdom Hearts. A lot of people love Kingdom Hearts. So I really wanted to show you guys which mystery pin boxes sets they have right now, but because that pin shop is very small and it's very hard to get in and out of there. But I did end up trading for 2 pins. I traded for this little Mickey and Donald pin, and I traded for this castle with a dog bone on it. So, interested. It wasn't anything like I really wanted, but I saw this and I'm like, oh, I kind of like those, especially the Mickey and Donald one. I don't know why. So when you get Fab Five just and stuff together, they really are nice. So I will say, it's kind of nice being able to look. So I have the Google Lens because I have an Android phone, so I was able to look this up, and it's actually from the Cats and Dog mystery set. So it's kind of the nice thing having that, is being able to see, okay, where are these sets from and where are these pins from, and maybe seeing what else is with that set. We're going into Sunset Club Couture because Kayla's still looking for a pair of shorts to swap, and there should be a mystery pin boards in here.
9 and 8.
Did you say 9 and 8?
Switching it up.
I have a puffle, and then I have one of these.
I think it's blue. Okay,
Can I do 21 and 16?
maybe 2 numbers
This
in
one's
your
21. And then I have a Mickey Mouse for 16.
What numbers, Kendall?
favorite numbers.
13.
And one more.
I have 6. I have a shield. And then I have a cast member Mickey Mouse.
Alright, after failed with the mystery pin set, we're now over to Sunset Ranch Pins and Souvenirs for our next round of pins. You see anything, Kendall? Well, here Kendall wanted to trade for the little dog one from the like character, like the family member sets. So simple stuff like that. It's sometimes if you even don't find something that you really want, just pin trading is fun just to do in general. I think we're going to get judged for this, but we are going to go over to have dinner over at Pizza Rizzo because I know a lot of people don't like it, but really enjoy it, but also it's kind of away from everything, so it's really quiet in that part of the park. So it's right before Galaxy's Edge, right off of where the old Streets of America used to be. So we're gonna go over there and have some pizza. Well, didn't know that Pizza Rizzo actually closed at 5, so probably it's not too busy later in the day, which we kind of wanted to eat over there because it was quiet, so we didn't want to go anywhere else, but we'll see what else we can do. Like, Kayla's really set on pizza, so there's Catilla Eddie's, which is where we just came from. We do also have the Backwell Express, which is right around the corner, and then ABC Commissary as well, so figure out what we're gonna have. Do you know for a long time that all the Disney Vacation Club booths, they used to have a pin board, but it seems like ever since they came back, or everything came back from the closure, they stopped doing that. So you kind of have to find your pin shops more, or your pin boards more now than you used to have to. All right, gonna come over to the gift shop outside of where the Frozen sing-along is. I don't know, it's not really a name for the store. It's just like the little Frozen gift shop. Well, didn't show you the board there, but did trade for these two. So kind of like I said, it's very hit or miss at studios. I feel like either you have really good luck or no luck, because we've had really not great luck. We've just been trading just to trade. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Originally Kendall wanted to do Tower and Rock and Roller Coaster, but we really weren't feeling those. We were really feeling Mickey and Minnie's.
Okay, my friends, are you ready? Yeah! Alright, that was really good. I don't have to ask twice, thank you. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the world premiere of Mickey Mouse in Perfect Picnic.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're down the highway, and now you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, you were late for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how, but they try.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I don't know, Goofy, that sounds like a lot of paperwork. This doesn't look very...
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
I guess you're trusted. Well, you were the goof right this way. And don't worry about the screen. I'm going to call my friend Donald, see if he has some duct tape. Yeah, keep hanging here all night.
Right here.
Hey, Mr. Mia. Where's the plane? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! This is all my fault! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Oh, we're first now. Oh God.
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
I think it's my favorite details. You literally came into it's like where we came in earlier. Now it says the end. I don't know why. It's one of my favorite little details about this ride. One more stop into the gift shop for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for our last pins board for the night.
You can always pop by the register if you're done with your fast.
I don't even know for a second my old
Okay, so once again, like I said, it feels like it's very hit or miss with Hollywood Studios and the pin boards. We didn't get really many today. I'll show you those really quick before we actually end the video. Just because I'm not really like, it wasn't anything good. I think when we went to Magic the other time, Magic Kingdom was very good. But this time, not very much. So, oh well, it is what it is. But that's the fun about pin trading. Some days you get amazing pins. You trade 2 pins at every board, or for me and Kayla's case, we trade 4 pins at every board. But it is what it is. It's the exciting thing. You don't never know what kind of day you're gonna get. One of the other things as well is that now that we're kind of into a slower part of the year, Fantasmic only does run 1 showing a night. So it is very, very, very important that you get there probably an hour to hour and a half before the showing, just to make sure you can get yourself a decent seat. So, because when I say they're going to pack that theater, they're going to absolutely pack the theater for Fantasmic. Also, I still think that Hollywood Studios tonight is still one of my favorite aesthetics because of all the neon and everything else. Especially when you go down Sunset Boulevard, it looks so cool.
Christmas.
Oh yeah, Christmas time. It's Christmas at Hollywood Studios. So much fun. Also, they're also doing a Christmas party here now too. Alright, one quick stop back into the dark rooms because I want to see what mystery pin box are now out right now, so I can show you guys what's still available for mystery pin boxes. So right now you have the Pixar pins, which is the Monster University pin set. You have the Star Wars pin set. You have Marvel pins. You have the Halloween pin set. You have the Kingdom of Cute, which I feel like I've seen a lot of. The Lion King one, which Kayla actually got a couple of those one time we came here. You got this cool mystery pin kite set. Oh, the ones are all in the front. You have a Toy Story one. See the pins on the side for that one. You got Coco, which are on the front as well. Got a lot of the Coco ones. Winnie the Pooh. The Haunted Mansion set. We got the Fleur Kitten mystery set, which is from the Marvels. We got the Avatar one. They have Zootopia. And they look like they have Ariel. Nice. Well, it was a little preempted of showing pins before we were done. Just got these last 2 pins at Crossroads, so tells you I probably should be waiting until we're leaving before I talk about the pins we got. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and call it a trip here from Disney's Hollywood Studios. Like I said, very kind of small trip out here to do some more pin trading. Like I said, today was not a very great day for pin trading. We actually traded for another pin later on. We actually paid for a Mrs. Marvel's pin. Yeah, it was Miss Marvel's, not Mrs. Miss Marvel's pin. And that was the only good one we really got. So, like I said, pin trading's fun because some days you get great luck, other days, not a thing. So, but with all that being said, as we do head out from Disney's Hollywood Studios, we will see y'all next time.